Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we've got something really exciting for all the adventure seekers out there, the 2025 Airstream Interstate 19X Limited Edition Outland. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time van lifer, or just someone who loves the open road, this off-grid ready van blends rugged capability with serious comfort. In this video, we'll break down everything, from the exterior to interior, comfort, and performance, to see if this beast is really worth your investment. So buckle up and let's dive in. Detail. Let's start with the basics. The 2025 Interstate 19X Outland is built on the trusted Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500 AWD chassis, which means it's tough, smart, and ready for all kinds of terrain. At just under 20 feet long, it's compact enough to park easily but packed with features that feel anything but small. This limited edition model brings some exclusive upgrades too, including unique trim, premium off-grid tech, and boosted adventure readiness. It's perfect for people who want to go off the beaten path without giving up convenience or safety. Exterior. Now let's check out the exterior, and trust us, it's a head-turner. The 19X Outland comes with a 3.5-inch suspension lift, beefy all-terrain tires, and blackout trim for a stealthy, rugged look. On top, there's a roof rack with integrated LED light bars, perfect for mounting gear and lighting your campsite at night. It also features a side ladder, solar panels, a power awning, and an exterior wash station, all built to make your off-grid life a whole lot easier. It's functional, durable, and built for adventure from every angle. Interior. Inside the 19X Outland, things get seriously cozy and clever. The interior is modern and efficient, with marine-grade flooring, soft close cabinetry, and adjustable lighting. The lounge easily converts into a spacious bed, and there's a full wet bath, complete with shower and toilet, so you're never relying on public restrooms again. The galley kitchen includes a refrigerator, sink, microwave, and storage. Plus, everything's connected through a digital control panel, giving you full command of lighting, battery levels, and climate settings at your fingertips. Comfort level. Don't let the rugged look fool you, the 19X is super comfortable. Whether you're cruising through desert heat or camping in snowy mountains, the climate control system keeps you cozy. The seating is plush and ergonomic, perfect for long drives or relaxing after a hike. You also get sound insulation, USB ports, LED ambient lighting, and plenty of windows for natural light and fresh air. Even the convertible bed feels like a proper mattress. In short, it's like taking a luxury apartment off-road. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 19X Outland is powered by a Mercedes-Benz turbo diesel engine, offering both reliability and strong fuel efficiency. Thanks to all-wheel drive, off-road drive modes, and hill descent control, you can confidently tackle dirt roads, steep inclines, and even snow. Plus, the adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced safety tech mean it's just as great on highways as it is off-road. Whether you're driving through the city or exploring the backcountry, this van delivers power with precision. Conclusion. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Airstream Interstate 19X Limited Edition Outland is more than just a camper van, it's a complete lifestyle vehicle. You get off-grid capability, premium luxury, and Mercedes-level engineering all in one package. Whether you're planning to explore national parks, work remotely in nature, or just escape the city for a weekend, this van gives you the freedom to do it all in comfort and style. If you're serious about van life, this one should definitely be on your shortlist.